आणि हे सिवरेज डिव्हिजन 21, जयका आणि सिवरेज कॉर्पोरेशन असे 3 जाण मेळून हांगा काम चल्लां. जो ओल्ड प्लांट आसा तो प्लांट जुनो जाला जवळ प्रायर टू 90s. Technology of this particular plant which is used is debarred today almost. However, a new technology we have inducted somewhere in 2003-2004 in Panjim, which is known as CTEC technology, whereas the purified water from the sewerage system can be used for any other purpose than drinking. Of course, it is as good as drinking water, but being a sewerage water, we can't touch. So, particularly this water which is filtered can be used for gardening, can be used for fertilizers, factories, then other industrial units, and also can be used for agriculture purpose. However, we have started same in other places such as Panjim and Vasco, where the filtered water to be given to the industries and also for other purpose. Considering in the mind, we have tendered 2 works, one under JICA, which was started somewhere in 2012, a 7.5 MLD plant with CTEC technology will be completed by by March, and 20 MLD plant from sewerage department, which has been taken care of full Madgaon, Navelin and Fatorda, and some part of the other constituency such as Kurtoni. I am sure these 2 plants will take care of full half of the Salset, which are very important parts, and will be completed by June. Sewerage department, that means corporation work, will be completed by June, and JICA plant will be completed by March.